Assalamu alaikum. I want to talk about the connection between detoxification and regression for your child. So if you are a mother or a father, you want to try detoxification, and sometimes even inside our program, what we see is when a child goes through detoxification, even in a very deeper state or in less stressful state, so depending on the type and depth of the detoxification that your child is going through, you will see some sort of regression. Okay, so let's say you started with a child who had anger problem. He would have a lot of anger, he would want to break things, he want to hurt himself or hurt others. And then when that child is going through a phase of detoxification that you might be trying on your own or under the advice and guidance of a professional person, then what happens is your child's body is going through a lot of, letting go of toxins. Okay, so when your child's body, which has been addicted to a variety of cocktails of toxins in the first place, and then your child's body is trying to detoxify them, a lot of stress is put on the physiology of your child as well as the psychology. Okay, the reason why that happens is, number one, your child's detox pathways are not properly opened yet. Number two, the rate at which you are or your child is going through the detoxification is a little faster. Number three, it might also be because your child's liver and other detox organs are not functioning properly. And number four, which can happen, is it's just a natural phenomenon and it will happen, but you can reduce that, excessiveness of that by following some prompts to reduce that stress on your child's system. So if you are thinking of doing some sort of detoxification for your child, or you are already going through and then you are seeing some of the old behaviors coming up, some of the stuff that your child used to do before you started a program or a protocol or the detoxification in the first place, and you might see all of those things coming back. And if you see them coming back, it's not to really worry about. It's not like your child's body is under harm. You're not harming your child's body or brain. You are actually helping your child body to let go of those stored and new toxins, and to make sure that the brain can start its developmental process. Okay, so let me give you two examples. Number one would be, how does an addict, substance abuser or alcohol addict, or maybe cocaine, heroin addict, so if you take an addict to a recovery center, and then the doctors over there, they would give him some sort of detoxification process, right? So when that person goes through the detoxification, they get angry, they get very agitated, very angry, and it's really hard to manage those people in the detoxification phase. And that's what scares everybody, scares the family members, scares the mom, scares the child, but it's actually very natural, it's actually very normal, unless you are doing it in such a massive scale that is actually threatening the system. Detoxification done properly is not harming your child. It will never harm your child if done properly, if done safely, and if done effectively. Okay, understanding your child's body and whatever problem it's going on, and then working through that. Okay, so the overarching theme for this topic is this: if you are thinking of going through a detoxification, or you are going through a detoxification phase for your child, and if your child is acting up weird or a lot of the past stuff is coming back, it's totally normal. It's nothing to be worried about, nothing to get super stressed about. You just need to be patient, and be patient. And if you are having a hard time to keep your patient on, then you need to work on your mindset, which is what we teach for our students inside our programs. Because I know it's really hard to see a child struggling and then you feel like you're helpless. You feel like maybe it's going the wrong way. But if you were doing the detoxification or any other process that you need your child to go through to be able to make their brain development start and go in rocket speed, then you have to make sure that your child's body is detoxifying properly. and safely and effectively. And if you see things coming back, it's totally normal. No need to panic, no need to feel like everything is going wrong, or your child is harming. It's not the case. Okay, so without further ado, let's start helping our child's body and brain through detoxification in a safe and effective way. And if you need to know more about it and learn more about it, let me know in the comments. My eyes and ears are always open for you, and I'll get to you in a minute. Until next time, bye.